Fit the coffee bean container, turning it clockwise to interlock. Remove the lid and add the coffee beans. Only use the amount of beans needed. As a rough guide, use a tablespoon of beans per cup. Close the lid, pushing down firmly. Press the on/off button to switch on and insert the ground coffee container. Set the number of cups required using the dial on the side. The chosen number will appear in the display. Press the strength selection button until the desired aroma appears on the display. Push the start grinding button, then immediately choose the grind of coffee by adjusting the lever when the appliance is working. The grinder will automatically stop when it has ground the required amount of coffee. To stop the appliance before grinding has finished, simply press the start button again. Remove the container filled with the ground coffee, gently tap and remove the lid to use immediately. Unused coffee can be stored in the container with the cap closed to avoid losing the aroma. The quantity of ground coffee varies depending on the grind. Cup ratios are a guide, as the amount can vary depending on coffee type and freshness. Do not set the cup quantity higher than setting 8 for French press, as the coffee will overspill. Do not adjust the grind setting when the machine is not running. Make sure the coffee bean container is empty before removing from the machine.